Today we talk about how can you change your name on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down here, you click your own profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click on name. Then here can you change your first name and here last name. You go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do to change your name on your app. That's all I wish know you I gave it. So I wish you I get it now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. I see you in next video.